Welcome back to the channel, guys, the Psychotic Circus of Savannah. Today we have an unboxing coming directly from AAXA Technologies. They have a brand new projector that they sent to me. They wanted to have some real honest feedback. So we're gonna go ahead and open up the box and see what's inside. We'll do a demo, and as always, we will do pros and cons of this new projector. So as we open this up, see what we got inside. We have their new Halloween projector. The box says small yet terrifying. It does come with 5 movies that are actually on here already. The coolest thing about this that I'm really excited to check out is it has Bluetooth to shoot audio out into a Bluetooth speaker, which is much needed. We do have other projectors at our haunt. None of them have Bluetooth. Really excited about that. So it comes pre-installed with 5 different movies. We'll roll through all those different movies as we do a demo on this. So as we open it up, do have some of the literature that they usually provide, and this thing looks freaking cool. This is a super cool looking little projector, dude. It's really small, fits in the palm of my hand, has little devil horns, which is such a cool little vibe to it. They kind of give it a face with the actual projecting lens, a little X for an eyeball. Looks like a little speaker grill for a mouth with the devil horns. That is badass. Let's see what else is in here. Comes with a charging cable, an extender for the cable, which is much needed. A little tripod, which is cool. I'll probably use a more heavy-duty tripod, but this is very nice. The charger's block, and a remote control. Let's actually take it out of the bag here so we can get a look at it. The remote actually looks like it has a little bit more detail than my standard projector. It looks like there's probably some tilt buttons. We'll get into that in a second. So we're currently in the darkest room here in our haunted house, and this is where I'm going to set up the projector to see exactly what it's made of. Now I'm really happy I got my hands on this projector. I've heard some awesome things about it, that it can produce up to 100 inches in super crystal clear quality, and that the brightness is 100 lumens, which is significantly better than any of those Window Wonderland projectors. And I'm super excited about the Bluetooth as well. So let's get it all set up, and I'll give you the pros and cons of the AAXA HP2 projector.
Hate your colors, you scurvy scallywags.
So what can I say about the HP2 projector? I'm actually super blown away at the quality of this, especially because it's so small. We have a couple projectors from other companies, and this kind of proves to me that maybe we were going the wrong way with our projectors, and I'm gonna check out more from AAXA Technology because this is amazing. It's extremely crisp. We can get pretty far from where we were projecting, and there's a little dial on the back to make sure that you're focusing it, but it's crisp, almost looks like a television. And it's super bright. Cameras don't always do projectors justice, but in real life, it's super bright. All the bright colors are really bright, and all the dark background is really dark. I love the Bluetooth capabilities. I don't have a projector that has Bluetooth yet, so I'm really excited to put this in our haunt this year. And the size makes it perfect to hide. I can put it in a corner, I could put it behind a prop or an animatronic to project a background behind them, and nobody is gonna be able to tell where the projector is because it's so small and it's dark. I absolutely love it. I'm legit amazed by the quality of this guy. I'm probably gonna use this year round. I can set it up outside in the backyard and do a drive-in type vibe for the kids. That part's really cool, and it uses a micro SD card, so you can pretty much load anything on there. Now there are a couple cons that may be a make or break for you. Now there's a hole in the bottom for a tripod, and that's cool, but I'd really like a hole on the side for vertical projection. We have both horizontal and vertical windows in our house, and I'd like this guy or a couple of these guys to hit all of those windows while still being able to be held by a tripod. The other thing I'm not too happy about is the remote. To actually activate the projector, the remote has to be behind the projector, and while I'm running a haunted house, there may be times that I need to switch things on the fly, and I can't always promise that I'll be behind the projector. Now again, is that a make or break with the quality, the price point of 129 bucks and 5 scenes?
Wow.
I don't think it's a make or break for me. Now overall, I'm very impressed with this little HP2 projector. From here on out, we'll probably only be using AAXA Technologies for our projectors. I'm thoroughly impressed with it, but what do you guys think? Tell me in the comments below. Do you think $129 for this little guy is worth it? It's absolutely adorable. Aww. And it's extremely crystal clear. Some of you guys in my comments have been asking where you can get some of the stuff that I unbox on this channel. So check the description below because there'll be a link there. Now please remember to like, remember to subscribe, and stay tuned because we have so much more to show you guys. As always, happy haunts.